Hi everybody, Paul here again. If you're ever needing to replace your toilet bolts, I want to show you some toilet bolts that I recently installed which I was really impressed with. Most toilet bolts are really thin, they're just zinc coated, they're not held securely in place which makes it difficult to lower the toilet back over them, and they're non-adjustable which means you have to cut or break them off. But not these. These toilet bolts are made by Fluidmaster, which I'll post in the description. These bolts are 5/16 of an inch thick. The bottom anchor bolt, the bolt, and the nut are all made from solid brass. The nut washer is made from stainless steel. It also has an adjustable lock washer, which holds it securely in place when you lower the toilet over it. The bolt is self-adjusting up to 3/4 of an inch, so you don't have to cut or break them off. To install the bolts, slide the bottom anchor nut underneath the flange slot and push down on this yellow lock washer while pulling up on the bolt to secure it in place. Once the toilet has been set back in place over the bolts, you can then turn the bolts by hand and adjust them to the proper height, which means you don't have to cut or break them off. Next, install the toilet bolt cap bases, washers, and nuts, and you're done.
I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wave.